In India, the answer is yes, but the situation is under control, the situation is not tense, so guys don't panic. As on date, India has recorded 2,710 cases, with the highest number of cases recorded from Kerala, around 1,147, followed by Maharashtra, Delhi, Gujarat, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and West Bengal in the descending order. This time the variant is new, NB181 being recorded from all over India and LF7 being recorded from South India. So what are the symptoms of this new variant of COVID? Just like any common cold or flu, the symptoms are the same. Fever is there, nasal discharge, nasal irritation, nasal block, sore throat, throat pain, cough, headache, body pain, that is myalgia, tiredness, fatigue, feeling of vomiting, nausea, and the appetite is when decreased. The patient doesn't feel like eating. So the symptoms are that of the common cold, so there is a more possibility of getting confused. Still, there is no need to panic because this variant is not that severe and the mortality is also very less. But the vulnerable group should be of concern. Who belong to this vulnerable group? Who has to take more care compared to others? The vulnerable group include those people whose age is more than 65 years, old age people, and those people who have chronic diseases like chronic lung disease, chronic heart disease, chronic kidney disease, infections like tuberculosis, asthma patients, diabetic patients, cancer patients who are on cancer chemotherapy or radiotherapy, or any patients on chronic steroids because their immunity will be suppressed. This vulnerable group is of much concern who have to take care of themselves much more than everybody else. So what are the preventive measures to be taken by all of us? Like the previous COVID season, this season also, wear mask whenever you go out, wear mask when you have fever or common cold, even at home, and follow proper hygienic measures. And hand hygiene is very important, especially like frequent hand washing and sanitizing your hands. Avoid going to crowded places like malls and theaters. Unnecessarily traveling to crowded places must be avoided, that is a must. Eat healthy food and drink lots of water. Keep yourself hydrated. And very importantly, if you have fever which is extending beyond 3 to 4 days, always consult a doctor. In addition to the fever profile you do, make sure you also give an RT-PCR for COVID-19, because if it comes positive, keen monitoring can be done, focus can be there more on you, and at the same time we can prevent the infection to be spreading to others. So my dear friends, so guys, don't panic, just follow these preventive measures. We can save ourselves. Take care and thank you.